Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set up coding environment for Python coders. First open the Chrome and search for Sublime text. Here you can see that first result. Click on that. Download Sublime text for Windows or Mac or anything for the version that you want. I already installed the Sublime text, so I am not downloading it. After downloading the Sublime text, you need to install it. After installing Sublime text, open it. After opening the Sublime text, the window will be like this. Now you need to go to settings, open view, then go to layouts and select three columns. Here you can see that three columns has been added to the view. Now again we need to go view and then groups, go to max two columns. Now you can see how the environment has changed. We need to save all these files in the single folder to make sure that input and output files are in the same folder. Press Ctrl S to save the file. Select the folder where you want to go. Enter the name like code.py. Here is the file that you will write the code. This section will be used for the input. We need to save this file as input.txt. This is a text file, not a Python file. We need to save it. Again, this section will be used for the output section. Press Ctrl S. This is also a text file. We name it as output. Now we will write the Python code to take input from the input file and to write the output to the output file. I will write down the code, just write as it is to make the code work. Write the code as it is to work. This is the code input from the input file and write the output to the output file so that we can see the output executed here. Now we will write the code that we want. Below this line you can write the code that you want. Let me write you function to print the numbers from 1 to 10. To execute the code, we need to press Ctrl B. Here is small error. In the output file, you can see the output has been given here. Let's take an input from the input file and then print the output as it is. Here you can see the output. This is how you can set up the environment for the competitive coding.